Hello, welcome to the third stream. I'm Ryan. I'll be talking about Angular, the 17 version, but this is an archive documentation of Angular version 17 because uh, right now Angular 19 is released, but I need to work on this particular version, so yeah, I'll talk about this. What is Angular? Angular is a development platform built on TypeScript. Uh, as a platform, Angular includes a component based framework for building scalable web applications, a collection of well integrated libraries that cover a wide variety of features, including routing, forms, management, client server, communication, and more. A suite of developer tools to help you develop, build, test, and update your code. With Angular, you're taking advantage of platform that can scale from single developer project to enterprise level application. Best of all, the Angular ecosystem consists of diverse group of over 1.7 million developers, library authors, and content creators as well. Prerequisite, like any other modern framework, Angular expects you to be familiar with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In addition, it recommends to have a familiar with the following tools and concepts. First is JavaScript classes, TypeScript fundamentals, and TypeScript decorators. I'm not aware of the latter, but let's study that next time. Tools, you need TypeScript. This is shipped with by default with Angular app to provide improved tooling and enhancement. Command line interface, Angular uses compiler in order to abstract tooling complexity. It has components, same like React. Components are fundamental building blocks of creating applications and Angular. By leveraging components architecture, Angular aims to provide structure for organizing your project into manageable, well organized parts with clear responsibilities so that your code is maintainable and scalable. An Angular component can be identified by component suffix mg custom name my hyphen custom hyphen name component.ts and as following a decorator to define configuration operations for things like a selector that defines what tag name is when referring from components in a template, an HTML template that controls what is rendered to the browser, a TypeScript class that defines the behavior of the component, whereas let's say a simple example for a to-do list item component would be the file name would be written as to-do hyphen list hyphen item dot component dot ts, and you begin the file. Start the first line with at the red component, round brackets, curly braces, standalone is true, selector to-do list item. Then you have a template where you define your HTML code, I assume. Template which looks like an li to do read cup of coffee introduction. Styles, you could give styles in this itself. Style li color papaya white. Okay. Export class to do list item. Component behavior is defined here. Behaviors. Now that we have the basic structure of component, let's learn more about defining the component behavior state. When defining data that you want a component to manage, this can be accomplished by declaring it by defining class field. Then you have methods, templates. Every component has an HTML template. I think that's it. Thank you.